Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Welcome to Vadivel Vadhiyar YouTube channel and your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. Right? In this class, we are going to discuss about example 1 under the topic triangle. Okay? In figure 7.8, OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. So that question number 1, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC, and question number 2, AD is parallel to BC. Right? The diagram is given here. Okay. Now let's start working out the solution for the question number 1. Triangle AOD. You can see here triangle AOD is forming here, right? And triangle BOC, right? So we have to compare these two triangles and we have to prove that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Right, students? Now, we have studied the criteria for congruence of triangles, right? So, we have to apply any one of the criteria and we have to prove that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Right, students? Let us see what is given in the question first. Okay, so let's work out the solution here. Question number 1. Okay, what is given in the question? You see here, just analyze these sides. Okay, it's clearly given in the question. AO is equal to side OB, right? AO is equal to side OB, right? And this side DO is equal to OC. DO is equal to OC. Okay. Now two sides are equal, right? Two sides are equal. Now among the four criteria, we have to prove either another side is equal. If you prove another side is equal, it will fall under SSS, side rule, so that we can prove these two triangles are congruent, right? Otherwise, SAS. Okay, here you have to find the angle, right? If you are proving that the angles in between these two sides are equal, then we can confirm these two triangles are congruent. Right, students? Okay, now if you analyze this figure carefully, okay, line BAB and CD are intersecting each other, right? Intersecting each other. When two straight lines are intersecting at a particular point, they form the vertically opposite angles which are equal, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal, right? So you should keep these points in mind so that it will be easy for you to find this angle, right? Vertically opposite angles means, say, when two lines are intersecting each other, okay, they form the angle here, right? These two angles are equal, and this side also angle is formed. This angle is also equal, right? So vertically opposite angles are equal. Here you can see AB and CD are intersecting each other, right? So at the point O, they form the opposite angles, right? So the angle AOD is equal to angle COB, right, students? So we can write angle AOD is equal to angle COB, right? Now we prove angle, one angle is equal, right? That angle is also falling in between the equal lines, right? Here AO and OD, these two sides are equal, right? So within that, this angle is formed. Okay, so we have proved that AOD is equal to angle COB. Now here one side is equal, here another side is equal, and this angle is the inside the equal lines, right? So here angle is proved equal, right? So as per AS SAS rule, as per SAS rule, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB, right? Triangle, you can write BOC as given in the question, right? AOD is equal to triangle BOC, right, students? So this is proved. Okay, right. Now coming to the next question, you have to prove AD is parallel to BC, right? AD is here. This line is parallel to BC, right? Before we go to the question, okay, you should understand a theorem. Okay, if you understand that theorem, it will be very easy for you to find solution for this question. Okay, what is the name of the theorem? Is alternate interior angle theorem. What is that? Alternate interior angle theorem. Okay, what this theorem says is, when two parallel lines are intersected by another line, okay, the angle formed interior is equal, right? The angle formed alternate interior or equal, right, students? This is the alternate interior angle theorem. Okay, we can name these lines AB and CD, right? AB and CD are parallel lines, okay, and the line EF is intersecting these two lines at a point, say P and Q, okay? So the angle formed at Q and the angle formed interiorly at P are equal, right? This is the alternate interior angle theorem. Okay, now you can see here, this is line CB, this is line AD, right? Now you can just extend this, you will be able to understand easily, right? So yes, line BA is intersecting these parallel lines, correct? So CB and AD are parallel, let us assume, until we prove, okay? and BA is intersecting, right? So you can see here the interior angles are formed here at the point A and B, right? These two angles should be equal, right? If we prove that these two are equal, then we can confirm AD and BC are parallel, right? Because we have seen here alternate angles are equal, right? Alternate interior angles are equal, right? Otherwise, we can say if alternate interior angles are equal, the lines are parallel, right? If alternate interior angles are equal, these lines are parallel. This is how we are going to prove this. Okay. Now, the interior angles are formed here at A and B, right? These two should be equal, right? Now, coming back to these two triangles, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC, right? That means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, right? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal, right, students? So here, for your convenience, okay, we can just tilt this triangle like this, okay, then the top side triangle will come like this, right? You are just tilting this triangle for our convenience. Here O, here B, here C, right, students? Okay, now you can see the corresponding parts. O is here, O, and this part and BO, and OD. OD is equal to OC. These two are equal, right? Now, as we have proved this triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC, all other corresponding parts are already equal, right? Now, this side and this side is equal, and this angle B is also equal to angle A, and angle C is equal to angle D, right? Angle A, we can make two lines, right? Okay. Now you can see angle O are equal, and angle A and angle B are equal, and angle D and angle C are equal. Okay. Now, coming here, we have to prove angle A and angle B are equal. Now we have proved here angle A and angle B are equal, right? So we can write here as triangle AOD and triangle BOC, triangle AOD and triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC as per corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B as alternate interior angles are equal. right? Hence, AD is parallel to BC. Dear students, I'll explain you the answer to the question 2 once again. Okay, we understood alternate interior angles theorem, right? When two parallel lines are intersected by another line, the angle formed inside, that is the interior opposite side, angles are equal. Okay, in this diagram, as we have proved, triangle AOD and BOC are congruent. Okay, all other parts are, all other corresponding parts are equal, right? Three sides are equal, three angles are equal, right? So now we have tilted this for our convenience, right? Now you can see angle A is equal to angle B, angle D is equal to angle C, angle O is equal to angle O, right? And also, as these angles are proved equal, the lines are parallel, right? Alternate opposite angles are equal. Hence, CB and AD are parallel. We conclude like that. Dear students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts in your studies regarding your subject, don't hesitate to take the support of your Vadivel Vadhiyar. Okay, just drop a message to the WhatsApp number given in the channel. Right, students? So, with this, we are completing this class. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like the channel and hype the channel. Okay, the notes and your study material is for this example 1, question number 1 and 2 are attached in the PDF form in your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. Okay, the link to the website is given under this video. Just click that and visit the website, your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com, and watch this video once again and download that PDF file and make use of it. Attach with your notebook and revise it as and when required. Right, students? See you in the forthcoming lessons. Until then, bye bye.